Alright, we're back. I have these all set up. We're going to start working on this bit. We also have those two screws for those weird wheels, and we need to get this ready to dump all the stuff over there. We're going to pretend that we know what we're doing and connect it up this way. And there's a little screw that goes in there. But, oh. Aha, now we know for sure. I thought there was no way to tell, but there is. There is, because there's a hole there. Okay, good. So we'll grab that screw. Wow, they really have this tight. I don't know what happened. I got it in earlier, and then now it's not. It's not going back in there. Oh, there it is. Okay, I don't even think it needs a screw. It's so tight. Okay, and we'll do the other one too. Oh boy, these things are so incredibly tight. Okay. Always worried about breaking all the tech, 'cause sometimes it's just too precise. Okay, so next step will be to connect these up on there.